Best Vinyl Weeding Tools Review. In this video, we will share with you one of the most popular set of weeding tools in the market that have been used by thousands of people who have given their stamp of approval. We will share with you some of the features of what makes this set of craft tools so popular. Also in this video, you get to see a quick demo of how easy it is to use this set of tools. The one that made our list is the Swiss Elite Craft Weeding Tool Set. This set is perfect for things like paper craft, sewing, lettering, Cameo, and more. There are 9 pieces of tools all together in this set, including a pair of scissors, scrapers, angle tool, spatula, weeder, tweezers, and a storage bag. This set of tools has been redesigned for extended durability and improved handling, and the pair of scissors is made from advanced 2mm stainless steel for precision cutting, and this set comes with a classy carrying case for easy storage and portability. To check out the full specs of the Swiss Elite Craft Weeding Tool Set and check out its current price, you can go to bit.ly/vinylweeding. Here's a quick demo of how easy it is to use this tools kit. So there you have it, the Swiss Elite Craft Weeding Tool Set. Considering its ease of use, the quality of this enhanced set, and its overall functionality, we feel that this tool set is the most value for money. Again, to check out the full specs of the Swiss Elite Craft Weeding Tool Set and check out its current price, you can go to bit.ly/vinylweeding. Alright, thank you for watching.